Hello everyone, I'm Sasha Semin and you're watching my YouTube channel Trade Contractor. In this short video, I will answer the question that many of you have. What is better, a traditional investing in stock market, meaning that you buy a particular stock or group of stocks or mutual fund and you hold it for a long period of time before you sell it, or you day or swing trade when you buy and sell stock within a very short period of time. Day trading within one trading day, swing trading you will buy and sell after a few days, couple weeks, maybe a month or so. To illustrate my personal opinion, and I would like to point it out that information and experience that I share with you in this video, in my previous videos, and in any future episodes of Trade Contractor is strictly for educational purposes. You should never base your decisions to buy or sell or invest in stock market influenced by someone else's opinions or ideas. Here's the chart I prepared to illustrate why I think day trading is to some extent less risky way of investing in stock market in 2019 and most likely in 2020. Here's the chart that illustrates the performance of S&P 500 index that indicates how the stocks of 500 biggest companies in the United States perform. From 2015 to 2018, the stocks were going up nice and steady. From 2018 up to today, and most likely for the near future, stocks have been showing tremendous uncertainty and volatility. The stocks prices were going up and down, and most likely that trend will continue into 2020. If you decide to try to invest in stock market and would like to concentrate on day and swing trading, the information, the knowledge, the understanding of market is extremely important. You can get all this here on YouTube. There are many hundreds of great channels dedicated to providing tutorials, important information on how to learn and trade stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and you should go there and find what's the best for you. In the past year, I decided to concentrate on a few sources. First is TechBot Solutions, the YouTube channel created by Ricky Gutierrez. Second is Shadow Trader 01, created by Peter Reznicek. The first, TechBot Solutions, will provide you with a tremendous amount of tutorials, starting from very beginners and all the way up to advanced traders. Shadow Trader 01, watch him on Saturday or Sunday with his thoughts about what markets will do the next week. I constantly follow news on Yahoo Finance, Market Watch. I subscribe to Seeking Alpha platform that sends you updates on different stocks, different companies, and how stocks react to performance of those companies. And I keep Bloomberg Radio on 24/7. That's it for this short video. I hope the information here is helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.